Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. I think it's part 3 of this, trying to help somebody. And first of all, I'm gonna just turn all these to hairlines. I like hairlines because they're gonna, I would think, cut it out for a template. These are for white rhinestones. And if you look, the size of the template is 9.9, 9.905, 3.884. The person we're trying to help, and so Eskimo, the macro guru, my macro guru, I sent him her question, and I was trying to use adjust object retain position, but I just couldn't get it to work. And he actually sent me a video. So Mr. Eskimo, thank you very much. This will really help this person. So, and if we look, we have 3 different size rhinestones, 0.21, 0.16, 0.13. They need them to be that size when they scale them. So we're going to reduce this thing to 9 inches by 3 inches. Let's say that's your new deal. But if you look, now we got ovals because we've stretched it one way more than the other. And if we click on this, we now have, this one was the 0.21, this was the 0.13, this was the, or 1.6 and 1.3. So his program that he wrote, and I left a link at the bottom of that first video, but I'll put another link. What you want to do is scale, and then right here, 100%, 100%, no matter what it says. Mine just came up with that because I'd already done this to make sure it worked. Then you need to have this clicked right here, clear transformation. And we're going to go from, this is center X, center Y. So it's going to put the ellipses right back exactly where they were, but they're going to change the side. Well, okay, I didn't have them all selected. Let me select them all. 100% clear transformation. Now this is going to take us, on his computer, it did it really fast. My computer is a little slower, and until you can grab a tool, it's trying to do it. But it does it, and it does it quite well. Now it's done it, and if you look our size of our template, well, it's a little bit bigger because we've made the circles a little bit bigger, but that could be adjusted and just figure it out. So if you remember, this one was 0.21, and now it's 0.21, 0.16, 0.13. That's pretty cool. So I think Mr. Eskimo, and he's the one that's written all these macros that I've shared, well, a lot of the macros that I've shared, and he's helped me out. And we both do this for the love of Corel and helping people. So I hope that helped somebody someday, and I will put a link to this macro at the bottom of this video also. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.